come true that I invite her. She's an amazing pediatric dentist from Colombia. She's a professor at CES University, and she's also director of a CES LPH research group, because it's a very rare publication on the pediatric bruxism. So she is one of the person to talk about, and I cannot wait to hear. Thank you so much to coming all the way from Colombia.
Thank you, Henri, to you, because I feel so honored with that presentation. And also 0.3 or almost 9 times increase the risk of having sleep bruxism. And we also have to test in the staff the orofacial pain. How to put the tongue in the correct way during rest, swallowing, mastication. Is not possible to have good parency of the airway, but also the maxilla where it has to be. And the bruxism is going to come back. Okay? This was written by and invented by my good friend Sandra Kang, she's here, and Dr. Simon Wan, and we are about to publish the data that we have ready to be published next year, hopefully. Expansion, protraction, and exercises. Only no. It's not only, but that was the strategy. No crossbite anymore. Look at this. Look at this. And look at this. And shifted from 7 hours to 11 hours, and 10% of snoring in a 7-hour period to 5% of 11 hours, almost 12. And what we obtain here is a 30% reduction of nasopharynx obstruction, as well as 15% reduction of the middle airway space obstruction. And here, no obstruction at all. The polysomnography is sleep latency, 25 minutes, high sleep efficiency,